Now, Derek, here's the update. Currently, I'm uploading and I'm importing some files, the products. So you see, this 31,000 records, and it takes almost an hour to create 18 products. So it's kinda slow. And if you see on the products, so I've been working on my local server because it's much faster here. So here's don't mind the out of stock. I just set it to I changed the values there, but yeah, the the main point is to have the variations working. So as you can see, one variation each have images. Each of it have images. So right now it's blue, then black. All of it have images. So, and you also have this gallery. So when you view that on the page, so you have two colors for now because still uploading. So when you select blue, black, then blue, you see it changes. It only shows two thumbnails, two images because we have the free version. But if we have the pro version of the plugin, we can have as many as we want. It's because it's unlimited. So when you change to black, so change to black, so blue is to blue. So we clear the selections, it will go back to the original. So like for example, if each box we have 2, 4, 5 images, then you can also have 5 images here and also here. So that's it. And the one that make it work is I created an add-on plugin. So this is the plugin I've been working yesterday. So this is the add-on. This is the one who hijacks the behavior of the variations gallery. So that's the solution. Now the problem is this one. That's an update for today. So basically what will I do is we will test it like renaming the product images to 2019 under 12 folder, and let's test, and so we know how fast or how slow it will to upload this 31,450 products. Okay, that's it for now.